Homestead. It's hot. We done a lot of today. Bleep that out. Now we got a solar wall going up by the trailer. We put the 6th fence post in today. We can't crossbar to that until tomorrow. We got the rest of the crossbars in though. I gotta go to Bend. We got like a 4-hour trip to go get some material to cover this shed. I'm hoping that Warner and maybe Kenneth will take it upon themselves to find my paint and my brushes and paint all that blonde wood white because it's got to be protected. Jared is kicking ass in the trailer. We've got batteries. We've got batteries charging, so the inverter MTTP controller is working. Yes, we're about a half a day behind where I wanted to be today because of yesterday's thunderstorms, but I think we're doing all right. Like, subscribe, tell your carpenter friends, tell your road installation guys, because I'm about to be looking for some A-B mix to get some real roads put in here. Just share it with your friends. We'll talk to you later. Kenneth!
See the container?
No, he's over there. Kenneth! Nice work! You know you're not done, right? But I appreciate you. This was a mess. You can see all the bagged up stuff. That's water bottles and stuff that we can refill at the well, which is super great. We got cardboard and stuff that's probably going to get burnt up in the barrel if I ever find one. He's sorted it, he's pulled it out of the hole, and now all the garbage is going to go over there, and we're going to go take the bottles to the well and see what we can fill up, and this is kind of momentous. It also gets all of this crap off of my tires that I'm going to be using for planting trees and stuff in the future. This is a good way. Thank you, Kenneth. Appreciate you. Did you get your cereal?
Yeah.
What kind?
Generic Captain Crunch.
Generic Captain Crunch.
Like $5.60 for a big ass box.
Oh, okay. Right on. Can I have some later?
Yeah.
All right. I gotta go to bed. We're gonna get metal. We're gonna knock this fucking building out.
Hi.
Hi, how was your day?
Pretty good.
What are you doing?
Bringing back the brown sugar. So here.
For me?
Yeah, in case you needed it. Or in there, one of the two.
Thank you.
Yeah. Zach and Jared just went biking outside of the property. Went up this hill, and I was going up it, and there was this huge divot and then a rock. And what ended up happening was I had to speed up, so I went in the divot and did a wheelie up it. Frightening but fun. Yeah. Then we went back downhill. It was like huge steep. It was so much fun. We went about 3 miles, I think.
Very good.
Yeah. Then had to come back 3 miles, but it was super fun.
Do you have another quest after this? Or is it nighttime?
Gonna get a sweatshirt. Then I'm gonna go back over there, go chill with my cousin. You know, the usual.
Well, fare thee well, traveler.
Yeah.